Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a look at our 2021 180 Grady White center console Fisherman. She's sitting on a galvanized trailer with a swing tongue, tandem wheels. Boat has a Bimini top, nice custom cover made locally. Boat does have a swim platform. 150 Yamaha engine with 45 hours reported. Boat's very clean, black bottom paint. Boat does have the bow cushion which comes with it. Electronics. Nice Garmin GPS. Post a picture of that at the end of the video. Any questions, please call us, email us. This boat is here, it is available. The owner's plans have changed. Great boat, great Grady ride. Once again, thank you.